Do you want to make your life easier and more convenient? Smart home gadgets are the way to go. These amazing devices can help you automate your home, save energy, and even improve your security. In this video, we'll be sharing our top picks for the best smart home gadgets of 2023. We'll also be giving you tips on how to choose the right smart home gadgets for your needs and budget. So, if you're looking to make your home smarter, be sure to watch this video until the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great videos on the best products for your home. Number 1. Best Alexa Smart Display, Echo Show 8. The best Alexa-powered smart display is the Echo Show 8. The Echo Show 5 is a little too small, while the Echo Show 10 and its rotating screen take up too much space. The Echo Show 8, on the other hand, is perfectly sized for living room and most other rooms in the house. Like other Alexa-powered smart displays, it supports plenty of video streaming services including Amazon Prime, Hulu and Netflix, and it comes with a couple of built-in browsers that you can use to surf the web on its touchscreen. Unfortunately, it doesn't support YouTube, which is a pretty notable omission considering how ubiquitous the service is. As a workaround, you can access it via the aforementioned browsers, but the experience isn't as smooth as if it were a native app. You can use the Show 8 to make video calls with any phone or tablet with the Alexa app. Alternatively, it supports Skype, Zoom and Amazon's own Chime service. Like the Nest Hub Max, the Show 8 also has an optional face tracking feature that follows your movements around the room during a call. Number 2. Best Smart Lights, Philips Hue. One of the easiest ways to introduce smart home technology into your home is to swap out your existing light bulbs with smart ones. Smart light bulbs let you control your lighting remotely, either via an app or with your voice. They add automation and scheduling to the mix, so you can have them turn on and off at certain times of the day. Some also let you adjust the smart bulb's brightness and color temperature, or even let you create a custom light scene. Our favorite smart lighting products come from Philips Hue, and the White and Color Ambience LED Smart Button Starter Kit is a particularly good entry point as it includes 3 Philips Hue White and Color Ambience 60 watts LED smart bulbs, a Hue hub that lets you control up to 50 lights, and a smart button if you want to have the option of turning off the lights without having your phone around. Number 3. Best Doorbell Camera, Arlo Essential Video Doorbell. If you want a camera specifically for your front door, a doorbell camera makes more sense than a standalone option. Our favorite is the Arlo Essential Video Doorbell, which is compatible with Google Assistant, Amazon's Alexa and Apple HomeKit. It delivers high-quality HDR footage along with a 180-degree view so you can see a person from head to toe, and it can ring your phone with a video call whenever someone rings the bell. There's also two-way audio so you can talk to whoever's at the door. A highlight of this doorbell is that it comes with a 3-month trial to Arlo's smart subscription service, which includes a motion detection feature that can tell the difference between a person, package, vehicle or animal. Senior editor Devendra Hardawar said that he really appreciated the package alerts. It did a good job of telling him whenever UPS dropped off a box. It's such a useful feature, in fact, that we recommend keeping the service beyond the trial period. Number 4. Best Budget Robot Vacuum, iRobot Roomba 694. Our favorite robot vacuum is the iRobot Roomba 694. We recommended it in our budget robot vacuum guide as it did a great job cleaning hard and carpeted surfaces. We liked the Shark Ion RV 761, too, but the Roomba 694 is a newer model, plus, the app is really easy to use for Luddites and the tech-savvy alike. And just in case you don't have access to the app, maybe you left your phone in another room, for example, the Roomba 694 has manual controls as well. One of the reasons the Roomba 694 cleans so well is that it has a 3-stage system that tells it to suck up dirt while also navigating around obstacles. When it encounters an especially filthy area, it focuses in on it, making sure it's clean before moving on. You can also manually instruct it to clean a specific spot in case you need it. And if you prefer to talk to your robot vacuum cleaner, the Roomba 694 works well with both Alexa and Google Assistant. Number 5. Best Security Camera, WiseCam V3. This security camera has a wide range of features and an affordable price. Plus, it can be used either indoors or outdoors, and it has color night vision that's capable of recording nighttime video in full color. Home security cameras are helpful for catching intruders, nabbing porch pirates, or just keeping an eye on your pet while you're out of the house. Our favorite is the WiseCam V3 for its wide range of features along with its affordable price. Plus, thanks to its IP65 waterproof rating, it can be used either indoors or outdoors, and it has color night vision that's capable of recording nighttime video in full color. Like previous gen models, it sends alerts to your phone whenever it detects sound or motion. You can also customize motion detection zones that allow you to adjust just how sensitive you want the motion sensor to be. It also offers 24/7 continuous video recording that you can store via a 32 GB micro SD card, not included.